Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making spicy peanut noodles. I'm using the Foodie Takes Flights recipe and I'll link it in the description box below. For the spicy peanut sauce you'll need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, plain or chunky is up to you, 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce depending on your taste preferences, 1 teaspoon of dark mushroom soy sauce or dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic chili oil or just normal chili oil that has the chili flakes still in it and the sediment, the good stuff, half to a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar to bounce everything together, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water depending on what consistency you'll want your sauce to be. And we're going to mix everything in a small bowl until everything's well combined. And we're going to set it aside and cook our noodles, as well as what I'm going to do, which deviates from the original recipe, is roast some peanuts. Now, the recipe did originally call for hand-cut noodles. Unfortunately, I live in Tasmania and I couldn't find them in the Asian grocers nearby me, so I went with rice stir-fry noodles. They're still nice and thick, but they're not quite what the recipe requested. Cook your noodles as per the instructions on the packet. Now, when I said I was going to roast my peanuts, I'm actually doing them in a dry pan. You can do them in the oven at a low heat for about 20 minutes, but I wanted to get these done a bit more quicker. Both in the oven and a dry fry pan, you need to toss them occasionally and just make sure that they're not burning. Once your noodles are ready, drain most of the water out, like leave a tablespoon to help homogenize the sauce, and then add the sauce, mixing until the noodles are well coated. And you can serve this with some chopped up spring onions and some chopped up peanuts that we roasted earlier as garnish. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out the November 2024 playlist if you haven't already, and I hope you have a great day.